how the data warehouse communicate with the core business is, now let's say the core business for me is I want to see the report. That is my business. Business is something from which I'm getting useful insight and I can monetize. So I am a business user. I want to see the report. Now a report can be at any level, which is created from the data mart which we already created. Now how this to communicate is, we have a certain pipeline decided at the very beginning of any project. The pipeline is, will have data ingestion from a source, then either we'll have a JDBC or ODBC connector if in case the RDBMS are at a different let's say the data I'm getting from is an Oracle, and the data I'm getting into is one of the RDBMS, say Teradata. So the different databases are there. So we'll have a ODBC or JDBC connector, and then from there we'll, after we stage the data into Teradata, let's say for in this case, and we do all the transformation and we load into the target table, then we visualize the report as well. So we'll there are many reporting tools available, let's say Tableau or Sash, like in memory are there, standalone are there. Tableau is something which gets data from the RDBMS and show the data. There are in-memory visualization tools wherein they load the data into their memory. They don't have to interact every time with the RDBMS, and they visualize the report from there. So the entire ETL pipeline is created. It's a sort of architecture, bus architecture we create, which helps the business end user to communicate with each of the data mart. So they are connected in a particular way wherein we define those connections. Those connections are defined in the ETL tool. If we are using every ETL tool now has a certain parameters which are given as a source, sync. We have a ID. What do you say, like 106.2.2.3 HTTP IDs which are there. So we connect those. Based on those connections, they know where to get the data from, how to fetch it, and so this everything is constituting a broader picture of the ETL pipeline which you define at the very inception when you go on implementing a project.